Hello, today we will guide you through Microphone Wispr Flow, Beginner's Tutorial. In this walkthrough, we'll focus on how to find and update your microphone settings inside the Wispr Flow app. This is a helpful first step if you want to make sure the app is using the correct microphone, especially if you have more than one audio input connected to your device. Begin by opening the Wispr Flow app. Once the app is open, give it a moment to fully load so all menus and options are available. Starting from the main app screen makes it easier to follow the rest of the setup without missing anything. Next, look toward the bottom left area of the screen and click on Settings. This is where Wispr Flow keeps its main configuration options, including general preferences and device-related controls. If you are new to the app, Settings is a good place to become familiar with, since many important adjustments can be made from here. After Settings opens, stay within the General section and look for the Microphone option. This area controls which microphone Wispr Flow will listen to when you speak. If your audio isn't being picked up correctly, or if the wrong microphone is active, this is the section you'll want to review. When you find the microphone setting, click on Change. This will open the available microphone choices for the app. Depending on your computer setup, you may see built-in microphones, external USB microphones, headsets, or other audio devices listed here. Taking a moment to review the available options can help you avoid selecting the wrong input. From the list, select the Sample Mic Settings option shown in the tutorial. Choosing the correct microphone is important because it affects how clearly your voice is captured and how well the app can respond to your input. If you are using a dedicated microphone, this is usually the point where you make sure that device is selected instead of your computer's default mic. Once selected, your microphone setting should now be updated. If needed, you can return to this same area later to switch devices again, especially if you connect a new microphone or change your workspace setup. As a final tip, after changing the microphone, it can be useful to test your audio inside the app or by speaking briefly to confirm the input is working as expected. That helps you catch any issues early and ensures a smoother experience moving forward. That's it for this beginner tutorial on microphone settings in Wispr Flow.